Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Earbuds QCY Buds ANC from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings. After that go to the Bluetooth. And right here at the device list click the information icon near to your earbuds. Now, at this third line we have a button called disconnect, and to disconnect your earbuds we need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds and you click at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, and click on the forget the device, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need it, I recommend it to unpair. Now I'm going to tap at the disconnect, and as you can see, it's not connected with my phone, but I have it as a device list. So if I tap on it, I can reconnect it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!